Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm EJ Beauty, and if you are new here, welcome. I always say to stay subscribed to my channel because I make sure to give you guys some great content and we have a great time over here. So in today's video, I don't want to make this intro way too long, but I want to show you guys some NYX lip combos that I've tried out recently. I'm about to head out, so I am going to show you guys on camera which ones that I like, basically my go-to lip combos. Today is going to be featured by no one other than NYX. So without further ado, let's get straight into this video. Today, I'm gonna be using two lip liners. I wanna show you guys the effect of mixing two lip liners. If you wanna see just one lip liner, head over to my other videos, but in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys with two lip liners. The two liners I'm gonna be using today is the MAC Nightmoth lip pencil. That's this one right here. This one is a little bit more purple, as you can see. It's not really that clear on the camera. And then the other one I'm gonna use is actually a NYX eyeliner, and it's a dark brown color, just like this. So the next thing you're gonna need is your lip gloss. You can get this for 99 cents in your beauty supply store. I actually got these from Amazon. Amazon sent these in like 2 packs of 3. So I have 3 of these different scents. These are all oiled glosses, so they're going to be very shiny when you put them on, and also have like a longer lasting effect as well. So the NYX butter glosses I'm going to be trying on are going to be Caramelt, Fudge Me, Cinnamon Roll, Ginger Snap, and Angel Food. So Angel Food is going to be the one I'm going to use to create the ombre effect. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to go in with your MAC Nightmoth lip liner. And the next thing you're gonna do is go in with the brown lip liner on top, just like this. The first combo I'm gonna try on is gonna be Fudge Me and Angel Food. This is Fudge Me. I'm gonna go in with Fudge Me first. And now we want to highlight the ombre effect. So we're going to go in with Angel Food that has more of a purple pinkish color to it. And then we're going to put it in the center right here. I usually only put it in this bottom lip. Actually, I don't put it on the top lip, but you can do whatever you feel suits you better. So this is pretty much it. I'm gonna top it off with the clear gloss on top, just like this. Guys, this is Fudge Me and Angel Food by NYX. I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look so you can see how it looks. Okay, so the next one I'm gonna try is Ginger Snap. Okay. this is Ginger Snap by itself. So pretty. But we're gonna add the Angel Food on top so you can see how I'm gonna create the ombre effect. Okay guys, this is Ginger Snap and Angel Food. I'm gonna come a little closer so you can see it. The next combo I'm going to try is Caramelt and Angel Food. I'm gonna start with the brown one first, and then we're gonna do Angel Food on top. I'm gonna go in with Angel Food and place it on my bottom lip only. Wow, this is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Guys, this looks... This is it, y'all. This is it. Okay, so that is pretty much it for this one. This is how it looks. I'm gonna do a up close so you can see. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Okay, so the last combo I'm gonna try is cinnamon roll and Angel Food. So as you can see already, cinnamon roll actually is already very pinkish by itself. This is the new one that they, I think this is the one that they mixed up the formula. It already has a pink look to it, so there's not much to do with this one. But I'm still gonna add the Angel Food at the bottom of my lips so you can still see how it actually looks. Then we are going to top it off with some clear gloss. Wow. Wow. So I actually ended it with my favorite. I think this is my favorite lip combo, and I feel like I am pretty much ready to go. So yeah, guys, this is how I'm about to go out, and I'm gonna go in and finish off with my favorite perfume. So I have these perfumes that I got from Dossier Perfume, and it looks just like this. So it comes in a box like this, and basically you can get different types of designer brands perfumes, designer inspired perfumes for really, really affordable prices. And you also get like deals when you bundle items. And I will be making sure that I leave a discount code in my description box as well. So the first one I picked up is called Fruity Magnolia. Fruity Magnolia is inspired by our infamous Versace Bright Crystal, y'all. Let's see. I'm sold. I am sold. This literally smells just like the actual perfume. So I actually had the perfume a while ago, but I wasn't able to keep up with buying the perfume because it's very expensive. This is so affordable, guys. And also you can even, like I said, when you buy for a certain price, you get free shipping, you get several discounts. So make sure to go ahead and head over to Dossier. Head over to Dossier. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but head over to their website and check out these perfumes. The next one I have is called Fudge Me Pink Pepper. Fudge Me Pink Pepper, or Fudge Me Pink Pepper, is inspired by 𝐒𝐇𝐎𝐏 Eau de Parfum. Y'all. Wow. Wow. This is so concentrated. For the price, this is really, really, really concentrated. Oh my goodness. And it's so cute. So on the card, they actually wrote like a little thank you. It says like, our mission is to deliver the highest quality, luxury inspired fragrances at a fair price, giving you the freedom to explore new scents. Thank you for giving us a try. Y'all, I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure to check out my links. They will all be in the description box. I will leave my discount code to purchase your perfumes. I will also make sure to put the links to the liners and the glosses and everything, all of that. So you guys will be totally fine. If you have any other video requests that you want me to try out, other lip combos, comment down below. Let me know which combo was your favorite. And as always, I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Follow me on Instagram. And are you subscribed? Are you subscribed? Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We have a great time over here. See you in my next video. Bye.